Ready to turn your Godaddy website into a customer connection powerhouse? First, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your website editor. This is where the magic happens. Now, look for the Add Section button, typically found on the left-hand side, or within the page you want to edit. Click on it to open the section library. Scroll through the section options and find the HTML section, or sometimes labeled custom code. Choose a blank HTML section. Drag and drop it to your desired location on the page. Once the HTML section is added, hover over it and select the Edit or Customize option. This will open up the HTML code editor. Now, paste the provided HTML code into the code editor. Replace the example phone number within the code with your actual WhatsApp phone number, including your country code. You can customize the button further by changing the text displayed or adjusting the button's color to match your website's theme. Look for attributes like button text or background color within the code. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, click the Done or Save button within the HTML section editor. Preview your website to make sure the WhatsApp button is displayed correctly and functions as expected. Test it by clicking the button to ensure it opens a WhatsApp chat with your number. Finally, click the Publish button to make your changes live on your website, and that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Godaddy website, making it easier for customers to connect with you.